Hey guys, good morning. I'm Srijita. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you guys know by the title, it's about what I ate in a day. So at first, after waking up in the morning, I'll have this lemon water. For that I need this warm water, and I'll add a little bit of lemon juice into it, mix it up, and I'll have it as my first drink of the day. So at around 9 I'll have my breakfast. So for today's breakfast I'm having oats. So I'm just eyeballing it here. I'm having half cup of oats, and I'll add milk into it, microwave it for 1.5 minutes. Then I'll add fruits into it. For today I'm going to add banana and strawberries into it, and I'll add 2-3 almonds, and yeah, that is my breakfast for today, guys. So after having my breakfast around 9:30, I'm going to have my green tea. So at around 11:30, 12, I'm going to have this fruit orange as a midday snack. So yeah. So for today's lunch, I'm going to have deem kosha, that is egg curry, rice with a side of salad bowl. I'm just going to prep all this, and so yeah. Around 1:32 maximum I am going to have my lunch. So as you guys know, for today's lunch I'm going to have rice, egg curry and salad. At around 4:30 I'm going to have some watermelons. It's my favorite fruit in the world. So yeah, that's what I'm going to have. Not For the evening snack around 6:30, I'm going to have this meatball sausage wrap thingy with green tea. So at first I'm gonna bake this meatballs in oven for 35 minutes at 375°F. After that I'm gonna cut it into small pieces so that it will be easy to put into a wrap. And I'm gonna use this whole wheat tortillas for the wrap. So first I'm gonna put a little bit of mayonnaise onto the tortillas and spread it. After that I'm gonna put the sausage, the meatballs and cucumber, little bit of sauce, tomato ketchup, and the wrap is ready. So for today's dinner, I'm going to have it very simple. I'm just going to have baked salmon and fried beans. At around 9:30, 10, I'm going to have my dinner. So for the baked salmon, I'm going to add all the spices like turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, little bit of garam masala, little bit of lime juice and salt to taste and pepper. Then I mixed it up and baked it on 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Oh, I also add a little bit of mustard oil too. So yeah guys, that is all for my today's video. I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye bye.